I eat an apple. I eat an apple. He drinks water. He drinks water. She has a phone. She has a phone. This is my book. This is my book. I like coffee. The bag is red. The bag is red. I need a pen. I need a pen. The cat is cute. The cat is cute. He loves his dog. He loves his dog. I see a car. I see a car. The bus is late. The bus is late. She takes the train. She takes the train. This chair is new. This chair is new. That table is big. That table is big. I watch TV. I watch TV. He wears a shirt. He wears a shirt. She buys shoes. She buys shoes. I like music. I like music. I read every day. I read every day. He writes a note. He writes a note. They play football. They play football. I sleep at 10. I sleep at 10. She cooks rice. She cooks rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me.